Welcome back to the channel. If you're chasing gains, improving recovery, or just trying to get more quality protein in your day, you've clicked the right video. Today we're counting down the top 5 best protein powders in 2026 you can actually buy right now. And yeah, we've got links in the description to all of them. Check those links below. Quick note before we start. Everyone's goals are different. Muscle building, cutting, plant-based, sensitive stomach. I've made sure this list keeps all that in mind. Now let's get into it. Starting off at number 5, the KOS Organic Plant Protein Powder. Fuel your body the clean way with KOS Vegan Protein Powder erythritol-free. Chocolate, a rich, plant-powered blend designed to nourish, satisfy, and support your active lifestyle. Whether you're powering through intense workouts, balancing a busy schedule, or simply upgrading your daily nutrition, this organic superfood protein delivers everything you need, without dairy, artificial sweeteners, or compromise. At the heart of this formula is a premium organic pea protein blend, thoughtfully combined with complementary plant proteins to provide a complete amino acid profile. Each scoop helps support lean muscle recovery, sustained energy, and daily wellness. And because it's erythritol-free, you get smooth, naturally balanced sweetness without the cooling aftertaste some sugar substitutes leave behind. But this isn't just protein, it's nutrition with purpose. KOS enhances every serving with a powerful blend of plant-based superfoods rich in vitamins and minerals. Ingredients like flaxseed, quinoa, pumpkin seed, and chia work together to support digestion, heart health, and overall vitality. It's more than a shake. It's a convenient, nutrient-dense meal replacement designed for both women and men. The indulgent chocolate flavor transforms your routine into something you'll actually look forward to. Creamy, smooth, and easy to mix, it blends beautifully with water, almond milk, or your favorite smoothie ingredients. Add a banana and peanut butter for a post-workout treat, or mix it into oatmeal for a protein-packed breakfast. Perfect for keto lifestyles, dairy-free diets, and anyone seeking cleaner nutrition. This 28-serving container makes it easy to stay consistent with your goals. No artificial additives. No unnecessary fillers. Just organic, plant-based fuel crafted to help you feel strong, energized, and satisfied. And number 4, Orgain Organic Protein Powder. Elevate your daily nutrition with Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder, Vanilla Bean. A smooth, plant-powered formula designed to fuel your body while satisfying your taste buds. Whether you're blending a quick breakfast smoothie, refueling after a workout, or looking for a clean protein boost between meals, this versatile powder makes healthy living simple and delicious. Each serving delivers 21 grams of high-quality plant protein, sourced from a carefully selected blend of organic ingredients to help support muscle recovery, sustained energy, and overall wellness. It's the kind of clean fuel your body can rely on, without lactose ingredients, artificial additives, or added sugar. That means you get pure, balanced nutrition without the heaviness or digestive discomfort often associated with traditional protein powders. But protein is only part of the story. With 6 grams of prebiotic fiber per serving, this formula also supports gut health and digestive balance. Prebiotic fiber helps nourish beneficial bacteria in your digestive system, promoting better nutrient absorption and overall well-being. It's a smart choice for anyone who wants their protein to do more than just support muscle. The smooth vanilla bean flavor is light, naturally sweet, and incredibly versatile. Blend it with almond milk and frozen fruit for a creamy smoothie, stir it into oatmeal for a protein-packed breakfast, or mix it with water for a quick and convenient shake on the go. Its clean flavor profile pairs effortlessly with both sweet and savory recipes, making it a staple for any kitchen. Certified organic and non-GMO, this 2.03 pounds container provides lasting value with a generous supply for your daily routine. Whether you're plant-based, dairy-free, or simply focused on cleaner ingredients, Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder fits seamlessly into a balanced lifestyle. Landing in 3rd place, Transparent Labs Grass-Fed Whey Protein Isolate. Take your training and recovery to the next level with Transparent Labs Grass-Fed Whey Protein Isolate, chocolate peanut butter, a premium formula built for those who demand clean ingredients and real performance. Designed with quality and transparency in mind, this whey protein delivers powerful nutrition without artificial flavors, colors, or unnecessary fillers. Each serving provides an impressive 28 grams of high-quality protein, sourced exclusively from grass-fed cows. This pure whey isolate is carefully processed to preserve its natural integrity while minimizing fat, carbs, and lactose, making it an excellent choice for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone focused on lean muscle development. With all 9 essential amino acids included, it helps support muscle repair, growth, and faster recovery after intense workouts. What sets this protein apart is its commitment to clean formulation. Naturally flavored and gluten-free, it offers a smooth, rich chocolate peanut butter taste without the overly sweet or artificial aftertaste found in many other powders. The result is a creamy, indulgent shake that feels like a treat while delivering serious performance benefits. Because it's a whey protein isolate, it absorbs quickly, ideal for post-workout replenishment when your muscles need nutrients most. It also mixes effortlessly with water or milk, creating a smooth consistency with no clumping or gritty texture. Add it to smoothies, oatmeal, or protein-packed recipes for an easy way to boost your daily intake. With 30 servings per container, this formula provides consistent, reliable quality you can trust. Whether you're building muscle, maintaining strength, or simply aiming to increase your daily protein intake, Transparent Labs grass-fed whey protein isolate offers a clean, effective solution. Coming in at number 2, Dymatize ISO 100. Push your performance further with Dymatize ISO 100 whey protein powder. Vanilla, a fast-absorbing, ultra-pure formula designed for serious training and real results. Whether you're chasing lean muscle, faster recovery, or simply aiming to hit your daily protein goals, ISO 100 delivers clean, powerful nutrition in every scoop. Each serving provides 25 grams of 100% whey protein isolate, including hydrolyzed whey for rapid digestion and absorption. That means your muscles get the amino acids they need quickly, especially important right after intense workouts when recovery matters most. This advanced filtration process removes excess fat, carbs, and lactose, leaving behind a light, smooth protein that's easy on the stomach and ideal for daily use. Because it's made from hydrolyzed whey isolate, ISO 100 mixes effortlessly and absorbs faster than many traditional protein blends. No heavy feeling, no clumps, just a smooth shake that supports muscle repair, growth, and strength development when your body needs it most. The classic vanilla flavor is clean, creamy, and incredibly versatile. Blend it with almond milk and frozen fruit for a rich smoothie. Mix it with cold water for a quick post-workout shake, or add it to oats, pancakes, or protein recipes to boost your daily intake. It's subtle enough to pair with almost anything, making it a reliable staple in your nutrition routine. With a generous 5-pound container, this package offers long-lasting value and consistent performance for lifters, athletes, and fitness enthusiasts who train hard and expect results. Whether you're cutting, bulking, or maintaining, ISO 100 fits seamlessly into your goals without unnecessary fillers or extra sugars weighing you down. And finally, number 1 on our list, the legendary Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein. Power your goals with Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein powder, double rich chocolate, one of the most trusted and widely used protein formulas in the world. Designed for athletes, gym goers, and anyone focused on better nutrition, this premium whey blend delivers consistent quality, great taste, and reliable performance in every scoop. Each serving provides high-quality whey protein sourced from whey protein isolate as the primary ingredient, helping support lean muscle growth, faster recovery, and daily protein intake. Whether you're training hard, building strength, or simply maintaining an active lifestyle, this formula gives your muscles the essential amino acids they need to repair and grow after exercise. What makes the gold standard stand out is its balance. It mixes easily, digests smoothly, and delivers a clean protein profile without unnecessary heaviness. The double rich chocolate flavor is bold, smooth, and satisfying. Perfect for anyone who wants a shake that tastes like a treat while still supporting serious fitness goals. It blends effortlessly with water or milk and works beautifully in smoothies, overnight oats, protein pancakes, or post-workout shakes. With a generous 5-pound container, you get long-lasting value and dependable quality you can count on day after day. The formula is crafted to fit a wide range of fitness goals, from muscle building and recovery to everyday protein supplementation. Whether you're a beginner starting your fitness journey or an experienced lifter refining your nutrition strategy, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey offers a proven, convenient way to meet your protein needs. When consistency, taste, and trusted quality matter, this double rich chocolate classic continues to set the benchmark for whey protein performance. All right, that wraps up the top 5 best protein powders in 2026, all linked down below for easy access. If you learned something today, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment with your favorite protein powder. Which one are you grabbing? Or want me to review next? Let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.